Hey everybody, this is Sandy from Sandy's Creative Connection. Here's the project we're going to make today. I call it the Invisible Butterfly. Okay, so what we want to do is get out the big shot. Let me back up a little bit so you get a bigger view. And then I'm going to pull the butterfly out of this Springtime Impressions. I'm going to take... Now, I have these adhesive strips. This is a Jennifer McGuire tip. Laser jet, inkjet labels. And they're repositionable. Got them off of Amazon. And so you get a full sheet. And I've just cut them down into these strips. Stacked, it's really tacky all the way across. And that's what I've been using here lately. So I can then, and I just reuse them and reuse them. But what I've done is I want to put down on this piece of designer series paper where I want the butterfly cut out. And I'm going to take my adhesive strips, just put it across there. And I'm going to flip this upside down. So just like that. I've got a magnetic platform on the bottom. Okay, I think I'm set up. So here is my butterfly cut out. Save these strips for another time. So here's what I ended up with. Gonna just glue that down. Here's my butterfly. Use my brush to get all the little pieces out of there. Now I'm going to cut one more time using the So Saffron color. And then let me use my brush to get all those little pieces out. This is a great product. You want to make sure those edges get glued down to hold it in place. The reason why I'm using green glue is because I like to have the wiggle room that can come with the green. Especially working with this narrow of a border all the way around. You need that little extra wiggle. We can go ahead and put this down on the front of the card, right on that card base. Just like so. Now I'm going to take some glue dots and I'm going to glue dot them together. So the yellow goes underneath. Just like that. And you notice I'm only putting the glue dot in the center because I want those wings to flip out. So now I'm going to glue dot it to the front of the card. Okay, I'm liking that. All right, so the tip for the words, I have put mine on my Stamparatus. I've already preloaded it. And this is coming out of the Abstract Impression stamp set. And that, if in the catalog, on page 129, it actually bundles it. The Abstract stamp set and the Thinlits. They are bundled, so you get 10% discount if you buy them together. So what I've done is I've taken our grid sheets, our little placemats. I put a C in the corner up there. And I'm going to put place that right there, and that sets it up pretty nice for me to just center this. I can then kind of center it up on the grids on the bottom, just for your line of sight. Then I'm going to take Pacific Point. All right, so here's my tip for getting that little banner on the end. You guys have seen it with other punches, but we're going to get our tailored tag punch out. And we are going to put the one end of the flag, get it right in the middle. I'm going to go ahead and punch this one right in the middle. And then I'm going to glue those together. And it needs to be about 3 inches long, the overall tag, because there you go. So now when I lay it up here, I can just cut it off to size. There you go. Glue it down. I don't glue the whole thing down because I like that banner to be kind of loose. So what I'll do is I'll just stick sequins on, especially ones that don't come with glue dots. Stick them right on the glue dots. Next, let's put some rhinestones on top of the sequins. Okay, there you have it. Card for the day. Hope you enjoyed it.